What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today it's 4th of July.
Okay,
and I think you know what we're doing. It's 4th of July, and today we will be celebrating it. And right now, and we're gonna do s'mores and all that fun stuff, and watch the fireworks. So watch to the end. Yeah. So we're gonna do s'mores and stuff in like 5 hours. So I might 2 hours. So I might cut to where we're doing s'mores, but I also might see cool stuff in between that I should shoot. So see you maybe in 5 seconds. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, cutting.
It's vlogging.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Yeah, cutting till other cool parts. So I think it just got a little interesting. It's like an hour later. So what I'm doing, I got a gun. See, I'm gonna put this in slow motion. See if you see the salt squirt. It's a salt. It's called, I think it's called bugger salt. So it's like they put salt in this and then we shoot it. Putting this in slow motion. I have no idea of what I just saw, so let's try it again. I saw it. Well, I get to see human eyes are just too weak. My last video was 34 minutes long, so I'm trying to cut it to not be an hour and a half long. So it'd be. So I'm gonna save to the fireworks in the cover. The DJ. Raise your hand if you like AJR. I love AJR. I also like Mr. Beast. Oh, replay my face. Yeah. Jingle bells, Batman's bells. Jingle bells, Batman's bells. If I aim this, probably it'll break my iPad, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. I bet this cannot be captured on slow motion because it's way too fast. It's going like 100 miles an hour, 1,000 maybe. I just saw all the salt like go everywhere. I'm gonna try to capture salt going everywhere. I don't think it's working. Oh, I kind of need a shot somewhere over there. I'm gonna get some water. Tell you when more interesting parts come. Later right now. Do-do-do-do. Do-do. I don't know what's happening.
You ready?
Did you install it?
Oh God, don't shoot it at me.
Oh, hold on.
I'm gonna put this in slow mo. So we're kind of halfway through this masterpiece. Oh God! Oh God! Throw them on my feet. Wait, I need to position for that now.
The ground.
You need more?
Yeah.
Ow, not eggs.
I didn't do anything.
Blue.
You killed me.
What's hiding over there? No one can hit you.
I know. I don't want people to hit me.
I'm gonna throw one down your shirt.
Ooh.
Oh boy! Yeah, get out of there. Oh boy! That's unfair.
No.
Come on.
Dad, you're. Dad.
Towards the battlefield. Towards the battlefield.
No one can hit me. I don't want to get hit. Okay?
Ow!
Don't get hit.
Hit me right in the belly. Big boom.
You're lucky you have.
Woo! Oh, ouchie.
Jeez.
You shouldn't step there. There's a bunch of unexploded ordnance.
Oh my God, Jack just spilled this whole thing.
Yeah, I know. That's why he doesn't.
Oh, Jack!
They're all right there, Jack.
He's gonna step on him too.
Yeah.
Jackie, big boom!
Jack.
Jackie!
He likes the sawdust.
Woo! Jack, big boom! Any more? Here.
Jeez.
The multi-bag attack is the way to go.
Are you taping all this?
Yeah.
Oh! Last bag. Dog.
Ate me.
Here, go, Lou. I'll take these big pieces.
Is the aftermath.
Careful, Jackie. Oh, you put your shoes on and step on them. Bobby. Smart putting your shoes on.
I'm gonna pop some.
Okay, there's a bunch that aren't popped.
Okay, go put your shoes on and we'll step on it. Oh gosh, Lou. Okay, go step on him, Jackie.
This is the aftermath. Okay, we are doing s'mores.
Do you want one or two?
S'mores.
You need to, Jack. That was a good call.
Can I have
Okay.
two?
Yep, help yourself. All right, come here,
Give
Jackie.
some Hershey. Some.
Okay.
I'm cutting to where we get the s'mores. Oh, s'mores? Okay.
There's Evie eating her first s'more. There's Trayton.
Oh, wait, hold on. Wow. Okay, over the fire.
So, and Eddie's kind of talking through this, which, well, you can keep
Whoa.
talking.
No, that's okay.
Oh, no. No. Uh-oh. Don't touch it. Oh, jeez. Okay, now we'll put it on the cracker. Come here, Bubby.
Honey,
It's so hot. Just get over it. Just get over it. Let's put it in the fire. Let's create
You
some
want to try a bite?
chaos. No, you're gonna have a burnt marshmallow,
How is
not a
it?
perfect one like I do.
Is it good?
Me? I don't care if it's perfect. Jacko, can you say s'more?
Whoa, it's falling out the bottom. Here. Try a bite right here. That's okay. Take a big bite. Watch mommy, watch mommy.
Ew, that looks
Yeah.
like a turd.
No.
That looks like a turd, Trayden. I'm telling you the truth.
Well, not exactly appropriate for YouTube.
I want it.
That'll work, Bubba. Hey.
Oh my god. I think I'm ready for my
Now
first.
it's good. Just hold it. Okay,
I have my most burnt s'more in the world.
Here you go. Okay, hold it here. There.
And now it's time for the fireworks. So we're going into this other house and videoing the fireworks. It's been a day. It's been a day. I think it's like 5 minutes long. Lasted for 20 minutes. Probably. I can't. You barely can see my face, I think. I don't know. Hey, yeah, you can barely see my face. I look like. Oh no, you can see my face pretty well. I'm gonna video the fireworks. So.
Okay,
Going off over this way.
Yeah, you're gonna see them right here.
Right here.
Wow, this is perfect. Oh! I love you, fireworks! I'll do my fireworks. Yeah! Watch this. Tesla, don't get her away, Tesla. It's better not be on your iPad because it's ruining the video. No, he's videoing. He's doing like he's doing a YouTube video. Oh, space. Whoa, that's a globe. It's a globe. Oh, man. So sweet. Oh, yeah. Ice cream. That was Mars. Let's go like, Mars is way bigger than that. Wee, 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 wee. Mars is pom pom. Move out of our way. Pom pom. Turn the brightness up. Whoa. Turn the brightness up. Wait, I'm videoing this. It's gonna turn on my video. I make YouTube videos. Sideways. I know. Boom. Stop it. Stop it, bro. I want to watch this. Enjoy it without noise. Is that you? I won it, remember? What? I won the iPad, remember? You won this one? I won the iPad. Did you see? Did you see gnomes? Triton. No, Triton. No, you went gnomes, and I was like, oh, Triton. I was like, yeah.
No, it said traded gnomes.
No, it said gnomes, Triton. You went Triton. Gnomes, Triton. And that's it for today. Well, not it. But I think this is the end of this section, so I don't want to watch the rest, so bye. No! Fine, a little more, a little more. Oh, it's one of the fireworks. I've gotten in my Roblox Tycoon. What's up, bro? You're gonna be.
Hi, guys.
I'm gonna be the new Mr. B. He's Mr.
Dun,
Beast.
dun, dun, dun. Did you see me?
Wait. That's it. Well, I think.
Oh my God, it's kind of hard to see.
Come on.
What is that? The glasses are worse because it makes us less color.
We'll know when it's about finale.
Oh! Yes, I've been feeling the highest ones on the best. Guys, look right there, look right there. I'm feeling this one's going to be the biggest one. Yes.
Whoa.
Oh, I like that one. You can't see it. Yes.
Well, I think I'll video to the end. See the grand finale. Oh, that red. Whoa, that's like 1,000. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And remember to like and subscribe.